got? What we got? No. Action. Apply decay 1 enemy units. When a unit gains decay, it gets +2 stacks. Let's do this. The thing is with Madame Lion's Mane, is she's much more potent than she looks. Fully healed champions. My champion has 16 HP, so that's fucking stupid. So we're going. There we go. There's our 2 X's we was looking for. Oh, hells yes. And what is this? Boost by 20. Permafrost, fuck that. Let's go rot. Intrinsic. And the Mollusk Mage with extra health. Or helical crystals. That's actually, these are good. With a pop him here though. Spore for you. Spore for you. Have a lance. Bye-bye. Loam coat. Okay, she has none. Regen and +1. Okay. Might come in handy later. Spell chain on glow up is pretty nice, but it's not the best. I do like me some gooey flask too. Let's just go with Loam coat. He's got thorns. This has surge stone, but gain consume. Here with Titan's gratitude. Fecundity. Add a summon of this unit to your hand that costs +1. Reanimate 3 or Worthy Sacrifice. Cooldown 2, sack, gain +3 mana. That would actually be good for deployment purposes. Let's do that, and we'll put it on this guy. So where sacrifice himself. Yep, okay, and then we're gonna take another girl with a large stone. Sweep, spikes, 3, so... Well, I like that other chick better. We're gonna go with her, or should I give quick? Oh, she's only got attack of 3. She'll have attack of 13. Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna bring this boo-boo down to 1. And I'm out of fucking money. Quite easily. All you gotta do is put right on this fucking piece of shit, and then end turn. 15, eh? Care what happens to these two, so fuck you. You can have those, you can have those, you can have this, and you can have that. Oh, he's dead. We don't even need to do anything else. End turn. So Fisher, through your trial and error of Slay the Spire techniques, let me know what works for you. I know that you will get a spike victory, or not spike, what the fuck it's called, when you turn bite, right? Bite? You turn into vampires. You'll get one eventually. I have faith. Firebound and attuned intrinsic. Deal 90 damage to front enemy spell. So how does this work? Do I... Do I like set it and forget it? I'll see how it goes. Alright, so we got Colonel Mushroom. We got this chick with the whip chain, and then we got my good old standby boy, Puffball. Let's go with Colonel Mustard, Colonel Cluster. Applied frozen, no. Suck my dick. Oh, let's go with the fucking jack strips. Okay. Ain't nothing else to do. So this didn't work? I still don't understand. So there has to be bad guys about to advance up, and then I play that like niche ass card that one time. Or maybe I'm a dumbass and don't understand, which is probably that one. Alright, what we got? No. What's this? No. Yeah. That's by 8. Remove consume. Hell yeah. What's this? Spell chain. Plus spell weakness 2 damage. We're going with the crystalline seeds. You guys already know what I love. I'm all about that large mystery box. If you get this with holdover, like this will be a fucking heavy ass hitter. That's one for him. Not a chance in hell. Here, I'm gonna put rot on him anyway. No. What is this? Journal, remove, consume. Draw 1 card. Perfect cards, draw 1 more. Yeah, there's kind of no reason to not use that card. No. Good. You win some, you lose some. Their energy siphon can go on you. Let's get some of these bad boys going on. These are so nice. The way that they're set up too. Yeah, you see all these red things? That's a lot of proliferation that's about to happen. Oh yeah, motherfuckers is dead. I don't even need to proliferate, but these green guys will proliferate as well. I'm not gonna put him down yet because he's super squish. Go bitches. It's fine. We're good. Another lone cone. Right on our crazy bitch. Can't use that down here. Nope. Only up top. You take damage for once. Not a lot. Could still take damage. And that's a GG. Meh. Because debuffs aren't a guarantee. No. 3 armor per stack. How high was our stack last round? Like 30? So that'd be dropping 120 armor on him. That's not right, but it's like It costs a lot. And then you gotta think about, is it gonna fucking show up when you need it to? Let's go with Hell's Flame. Thank you. Let's see what this guy's got. Oh, this is my shit right here. Love this. There's not actually that many. I'm just gonna do the crystalline seeds. And then don't forget. Okay, so let's put it on this girl. What's this? Ancient Synergy. Deal damage to the front enemy unit equal to 2x the number of spells in your deck 3 times. Was it 60 damage or 60 damage 3 times? I'm not going to use it. I just want to understand. Anyway. All units propagate 1, not in lieu of Fight Club. Too circumstantial. Just like it never does what I need it to do when I need it to do it. Mute 5. You can't apply Frostbite 4 to enemy units. Hey, that's kind of dope. And consume, deal 21 damage to random units 5 times. We're going with this one. 1 on each floor for each 20 cards in deck. No. Apply mute 1 when enemy enters your train. Yeah. Alright, let's reroll. Or should I grab this? Fuck it. Reroll. No. Each time a consumed card is played, draw 1. No. Shroom units gain regen 1 on harvest. Alright, that's it. Okay, we are. And we got some. They don't look at it, but we got some hard hitting motherfuckers in our deck right now. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, fucking die. He's worth so much less than she is. Ancient Synergy again. Okay. Curse of Entropy. Okay, we need to stack Decay and Frostbite on these guys as fast as possible. Can I attack? Oh, okay. So this guy you can attack from each level. I didn't realize that last time. That's fun. Oh yeah, I love it. Fuck it. Here. And you get this. Leaves us with nothing, but that's okay. Nothing is more than we need. That was bad. Alright, they're at 22. He's at 16. And he should be almost dead. 283. Let's try something different. This is getting a little close for comfort. We're gonna keep hammering on these boys. Okay, proliferate. 16. Throw some lance on you. 90 damage. Last turn. It's not out of the question. He's got 1 health, and these guys are at 992 and 1316. The damage to the front enemy equal to 2x the number of spells in your deck, 3 times 88 plus 15. Spell weakness. We need to save 1 for him. Or do they all have to go down to 1? I think they all have to hit 1. Alright. Spell weakness. I think we missed the mark by just a little bit, guys. So the thing is, we got him to 1. He's going to be at 1. So then the only thing left here is we needed to take another 1100 off the rock thing. I think that was actually a pretty good run. Kutorhix. Test the scales. 50% chance to apply spell weakness 1 when an enemy enters your train. Okay, and not that.
Embrace the darkness, brothers, for these times shall not come to pass. And we are all that stands between oblivion and the hope for another tomorrow. May the light illuminate the darkest of corridors and scorch hellfire upon all those whom oppose the true God King.